The future of ecosystems in nature. By 2075, nature may no longer be wild and uncontrolled. It will be intelligent. Forests will be filled with tiny sensors that constantly measure soil humidity, air quality, and biodiversity. Artificial intelligence will track every tree, every animal, and every stream, making sure ecosystems remain balanced. If a fire starts, drones will detect it within seconds and extinguish it before it spreads. If an animal population declines, AI will identify the cause and help restore balance. Instead of humans exploiting nature, we may become its guardians, using technology to heal and protect. These smart ecosystems will be alive with data, creating a planet where technology and nature finally work together. The oceans of 2075 will no longer be full of plastic waste. Millions of autonomous cleaning robots will patrol the seas, collecting garbage, filtering toxins, and even recycling materials on the spot. Coral reefs, once on the brink of extinction, may be restored with 3D printed structures that attract marine life. Huge floating farms will produce food from seaweed and sustainable aquaculture, feeding billions of people without destroying natural ecosystems. But the oceans will not just be about survival. They may become the new frontier of human innovation. Entire underwater cities could exist, built in harmony with marine ecosystems, proving that humanity and the ocean can thrive together. Imagine walking through a forest and seeing a woolly mammoth or a passenger pigeon flying above. In 2075, genetic engineering may make this possible. Scientists are already working on recreating extinct species, and by the future, we may succeed in bringing entire ecosystems back to life. This de-extinction could restore balance in places where species once played a critical role. But it won't stop at the past. Humans may design entirely new animals, species resistant to climate change, insects engineered to pollinate crops, or plants that clean polluted soil. The line between natural evolution and human-made biology will blur forever. Perhaps the most radical change will be humanity's direct control over the climate. By 2075, giant mirrors may float in space, reflecting excess sunlight away from Earth to cool the planet. Massive carbon-capturing towers will clean the air, sucking greenhouse gases out of the atmosphere. Artificial rain systems could end droughts, while weather control satellites prevent deadly hurricanes. This technology may save millions of lives, but it will also raise deep questions. Who controls the global thermostat? What happens if nations disagree on how hot or cold the Earth should be? Climate control may save our planet, or spark conflicts never seen before. Perhaps the most radical change will be humanity's direct control over the climate. By 2075, giant mirrors may float in space, reflecting excess sunlight away from Earth to cool the planet. Massive carbon-capturing towers will clean the air, sucking greenhouse gases out of the atmosphere. Artificial rain systems could end droughts, while weather control satellites prevent deadly hurricanes. This technology may save millions of lives, but it will also raise deep questions. Who controls the global thermostat? What happens if nations disagree on how hot or cold the Earth should be? Climate control may save our planet, or spark conflicts never seen before. As humanity reshapes nature, we must ask ourselves, where is the limit? If every forest is monitored by AI, if every animal can be genetically engineered, if the climate itself is under human control, is it still truly nature? Or is it just another system created and managed by humans? Some will argue that saving ecosystems is worth any level of control. Others will warn that nature must remain free, unpredictable, and wild, because that is what makes it real. By 2075, the greatest challenge may not be protecting nature, but deciding what nature even means.